Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are talking about 4 stories from Surat Al-Kahf and the lessons we are learning from each story. Are you feeling lost and looking for something to spark your spirit? Well, buckle up because we are about to explore Surat Al-Kahf today, a mind-blowing chapter from the Quran packed with incredible stories of faith, knowledge, worth and leadership. Ever imagine sleeping for hundreds of years and waking up feeling unstoppable? That is exactly what happens to the sleepers of the cave, who lend their name to this chapter, Surat Al-Kahf. We will also meet Musa and Khidr, a legendary teacher-student duo who will teach us how much power lies in knowledge and staying humble. And get ready for a surprising lesson in happiness from the owner of 2 gardens, who discovered it is not about the size of your house. Seriously, it is much cooler than that. Get ready for a journey that will leave us feeling inspired and ready to take on anything. It is time to dive into Surat Al-Kahf and discover its amazing secrets. And now let us start by talking about the sleepers of the cave, Ashab al-Kahf. Picture these young people who escaped the king's persecution because they opposed worshipping idols. Think of them as a group holding on strong to what they believed in, not scared by the tough times, and Allah made their story a sign by making them sleep in a cave for hundreds of years. This story teaches us that having faith in something bigger is like having a super special power. In Surah Al-Kahf, ayah 13, Allah says, "Ba'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, wa labithu fi kahfihim 300 sinina wazdadu tis'a." And they remained in their cave for 300 years and exceeded by 9. Next up, let us dive into the story of Musa and Khidr. Musa was put to the test when Allah directed him to meet Khidr, who possessed knowledge beyond what Musa knew. Some super secret stuff. This narrative teaches us a valuable lesson that there will always be someone with more knowledge than us. So embracing curiosity and maintaining a constant desire to learn is a wonderful way to foster personal growth. Remember, knowledge is boundless, so keep exploring. And importantly, let us approach education with humility. In Surah Al-Kahf, ayah 65, Allah says, فَوَجَدَ عَبْدًا مِنْ عِبَادِنَا آتَيْنَاهُ رَحْمَةً مِنْ عِنْدِنَا وَعَلَّمْنَاهُ مِنْ لَدُنَّا عِلْمًا. And they found a servant from among our servants, to whom we had given mercy from us and had taught him from us a certain knowledge. Thirdly, let's talk about 2 people. One was poor and the other one was rich, with 2 gardens. The rich person had everything anyone could wish for in these gardens. But what's fascinating is that the wealthy one was braggy and not thankful, while the other person, despite being poor, was thankful and humble to his creator. In Surah Al-Kahf, ayah 32, Allah says, وَاضْرِبْ لَهُمْ مَثَلَ الرَّجُلَيْنِ جَعَلْنَا لِأَحَدِهِمَا جَنَّتَيْنِ مِنْ أَعْنَابٍ وَخَفَفْنَاهُمَا بِنَخْلٍ وَجَعَلْنَا بَيْنَهُمَا زَرْعًا. And present to them an example of 2 men. We granted to one of them 2 gardens of grapevines, and we bordered them with palm trees and placed between them fields of crops. This story teaches us that even when you have a lot, it is still cool to be grateful and down to earth. Finally, let us talk about Dhul Qarnain, the big boss. He was in charge of everything and ruled with fairness and kindness. Not just with power, Dhul Qarnain teaches us that being a leader is not just about being strong, but also being fair and kind to others. In Surah Al-Kahf, ayah 84, Allah says, "Inna makanna lahu fil ard wa atainahu min kulli shay'in sababa." Indeed, we established him upon the earth and we gave him to everything a way. This story teaches us that true leadership is about having a big heart and taking care of everyone. So why read Surah Al-Kahf, in case you might ask? It is your weekly dose of inspiration, a reminder to stay strong in your faith. Be grateful for what you have and keep learning and lead with kindness. It is like a superhero manual for life. Read Surah Al-Kahf today, share this video, be the hero of your own story, choose your own epic story and be like the sleepers of the cave, the humble, the learner or the kind leader. The world needs your unique light. If you find this video helpful, please like it and follow our page. See you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.